Boy, nadita diri karon sa Naga boy, kauban na to ang tagiya diri data sa Vicky and Sons Brother Corporation sa mga multi-cab niya. Ako pailan ninyo kani nga video dai boy sa paid video ni siya. So kung naman mga inquiries, pangutana mo ni Brother Vicky. So siya introduce boy na yung mga unit na gandre. So padalutan sa sulod, atin magkita sa inyo sa Naga diri boy. So brother, I will let brother tell what cars he have.
Hello sir, good afternoon. So this one the DS64V automatic 4x4. This is fully loaded, paint, upholstery, registration, aircon and mugs. Please come inside. It's a fully loaded unit. And this one you can say push button start, power steering, stereo, and the upholstery and have the also the back chairs extra. So fully loaded. You can see with the stickers and everything is a complete. You can see if my cameraman can show you everything back side.
How much is one?
So this one actually the price is the 280, but I can give you the best price for your customers. And also this one you see for the extra passengers, and you can put your all items extra things inside for the party and for everything. And these seats are foldable also. This is the DS64V automatic 4x4, fully loaded with cargo door tires with lift up mugs and tires. Okay sir.
What do you call, sir?
Sorry.
What do you call?
Yeah, aircon, paint, upholstery, registration, aircon, mugs, no extra charges, and that price is negotiable, sir.
Okay. And they also have gone.
This one, sir. This one DS63 manual 4x4 with fully loaded, and step boards, stickers, back chairs, canopy. Also, can you please show the inside? The upholstery, stereo, and the power steering, aircon. This is also fully loaded. This price is the very best price. Inshallah, you can inbox me in my. And this one is the DA52 automatic.
Automatic.
Yeah, this is the new, not yet finished, but DA52. You can show the outside. This one, all unit.
You also have this one, boy. You also have.
Chrome 4-wheel drive. Can you please come, brother? Come 4-wheel drive. Paint, upholstery, registration, fully loaded. This one also. And this one about the we have the truck 4D32 Canter Moliere mechanical engine 4D32. The length is 10 feet and also the upholstery already done. Moliere in the front. Okay. And this one DS62 double cab automatic 4x4 DS62 K6 F6A Makina. Okay. The warranty is my units is 2 to 3 months. Any customer will come, inshallah we will give our best price to that customers. Okay. And this one, sir, is a Scrum 4x2 Scrum fully loaded. Scrum, this is my company Vicky Sons and Brothers Corporation. This one, the upholstery, paint, upholstery, registration. Actually, the Scrum have no aircon because if you put the Scrum aircon, that the carburetor will be vibrating. That's why we don't put a aircon. And that one also DS64V double cab automatic 4x2 automatic. You can show. The stickers, everything fully loaded, almost ready to drive. If the customers want, we can make the cargo door tires here also. We can make the fully loaded also. You can show please inside. So please. Another hole. This one, sir. You can see, sir. This one, sir. Okay. For the very good for the. And this one also very good, 200 plus. This is not too much mahal, but I can give them my best price. And we have many also this one units. We are going to make recon units, and we have coming next month. We have coming the 2 containers in next month, and inshallah I will give my best price. You can text me. My Facebook page is Vicky Sons and Brothers Corporation. My YouTube channel Vicky Sons Japan Surplus. And my number 0942 0154 987 0942 0154 987. My address is Barangay Langtad Mohon near Guazan Beach Resort in front of the Phoenix gas station,
Naga, Cebu.
City Cebu. That's all. If
Okay.
you have any question, and you can ask from me, you can like my page, and thank you very much. I'm Pakistani. Please support me. Please help me. God bless you all. Love you all.
Larga mo la, boy. Ato na pangutanan nila ha kay tanan nga inquiries larga na na boy. Patabang ka na siya sa tuwa. Adios.